Moving on to other news at 5 o'clock, Texas Senator Carlos Uresti's co-defendant in a federal fraud trial on the witness stand today, testifying in his own defense. Gary Kane claimed that at one point he advised investors not to invest in an oil field fracking company, a company that government prosecutors allege was a Ponzi scheme. Paul Venema there as Kane is cross-examined by federal prosecutors.
Outside the courthouse, Kane has said nothing during the 3-week trial. In court, he testified that he tried to save Four Winds Logistics, a company that claimed to buy sand for oil field fracking. The government called it a Ponzi scheme that bilked investors out of millions of dollars. Kane worked as a company consultant. He said that when he learned that Four Winds CEO Stan Bates was using corporation funds for personal use, buying high-dollar cars and prostitutes, he told him it was illegal and said he'd help him find a lawyer. Last month, Bates pled guilty to 8 felonies and is awaiting sentencing. On cross-examination, Kane said he never had access to false spreadsheets that showed the company was making money. He testified that he knew nothing about the sand, who was buying it, or where they were buying it from. During the bulk of the day's cross-examination, federal prosecutors grilled Kane about contradictions between his testimony and statements he made earlier to federal agents.
I'm told at this point closing arguments could come as early as Friday. However, because it's a holiday weekend, deliberations would not begin until Tuesday. But at this point, nothing is set in stone. Paul Venema, KSAT 12 News.